How to find notifications, phone length, settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications, phone length, settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and now just click these three lines in the top corner, and after you click on it, go down. Here you will find settings and then click notifications, and here just go down until you find this one, push, click on it, and then you will find here phone led and notifications settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.